So now we are going to talk about dividing fractions. And when we talk about dividing fractions, we need to keep in mind these three words: keep, change, and flip. And again, I'll put this at the top so that everyone can see it. And I'll kind of go through what keep, change, and flip means. So we will start with a fraction divided by a fraction, just like we did for the multiplication, but we're doing division now. So we start with 1/10, and then we're going to divide that by 3/6. And I'm going to use a couple different colors so that you can kind of see how to do this. So our first word we have here is keep. We always keep our first part, so our first fraction, our first number. So 1/10. Whoa, sorry guys, that was really bad. 1/10. And then we're going to change our symbol. So our symbol is going to change to multiplication. And then our last part is flip. So we're going to flip this fraction. So instead of 3/6, it's going to be 6/3. Flip the fraction. Then you just multiply straight across. 1 times 6 is 6. 10 times 3 is 30. 6 and 30 can be divided by 6, which equals 1/5. And that is our answer for that. Okay, so we're going to keep going with the keep, change, flip, because that's always how you do division problems. We'll do a fraction divided by a whole number. Our fraction is going to be 2/7. And our whole number will be 3. And I'm just going to write it as 3/1 right away, because we know whole numbers have to go over 1. So again, we're going to keep, change, and flip, so that you can see what each number goes with. Keep our 2/7, change to a multiplication sign, and flip our third fraction, so it'll be 1/3. Multiply straight across. 2 times 1 is 2. 7 times 3 is 21. And again, this cannot be simplified, so that is our final answer. I'm going to do one more, and it's going to be a whole number divided by a fraction. We'll put this back at the top so everyone can see it. We have keep, change, and flip. So we'll start. Our whole number is going to be a 4. But like I said, I'll put it over 1 because whole numbers always have to go over 1. Divided by 3/4. We're going to keep our 4/1. Change to a multiplication sign. And flip our our second fraction. So it's going to be 4/3. When we do this, we multiply straight across. 4 times 4 is 16. 1 times 3 is 3. If we simplify that, 3 goes into 16 5 times, and there's 1 left over. So 5 1/3 is our answer. And that is all for dividing fractions and multiplying fractions.